If you don't like boring animals but still love the wild, then you need to know about hippos. Imagine this, a hippo yawning lazily in the water. Now picture it charging at 30 miles per hour. Yup, these chunky mammals are faster than you think. But it gets crazier. Hippos can weigh up to 3,500 pounds. That's like 3 grand pianos, and all that bulk isn't just for show. With jaws that can open nearly 180 degrees, they can snap a canoe in half like it's a toothpick. And did you know hippos are fiercely territorial? They protect their stretch of river with an iron hoof. Their sheer strength and surprising agility make them the heavyweight champions of the wild. So next time you see a hippo lounging in the water, remember, beneath that calm surface is a beast with power to spare. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild wonders.